Hello, wonderful people and my spreadsheet enthusiasts. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into the world of array formula. Array formula. So, what does it do? Array formula allow you to perform calculations on a range of cells or multiple ranges at once. And this really saves you time and simplify complex calculations. So with array formula, let's see, with this table right here, we have items, costs, quantity, unit price, sales. Assuming we want to find the sales, right? Sales was quantity multiplied by unit price. So here 5 multiplied by 10 gives you 50, 2 multiplied by 8 gives you 16. So let me show you how we did this particular one. So we have sales here. We're going to use array formula to generate the same thing as it is here. So you start with equal sign and then you enter array formula. It pops up right here. Hit enter. Because we are using ranges, you start with a range. The first range you want to use. And then what do we want to do? Do we want to divide? Do we want to add? Do we want to multiply? In our case, we want to multiply. So we hit the multiplication sign on the keyboard. And then by what? Do we want to multiply by 1,000? Do we want to multiply by 2? Or do we want to multiply by another range? Here we want to multiply by another range. So we choose this. We could have actually even put one figure there like 1,000. But there must be at least one range in whenever you are using array formula. Here we are using two ranges. So it's a range by range. You can also do a range by a constant or a single figure. Now, when we hit enter, you realize Google Sheets will fill this entire range for us. Let's go, enter. Great, you can see these two cells are the same. 50, 50, 16, 16, 150, 150, like that. Now, you can use array formulas, right, with other functions to create more complex functions. But this is all there is about array formula. Let's try do something real quick here. Let's say we are in a class and we want to identify all students who got an A, and two, the total A score that the student got. Okay, so let's say paste. I already did it somewhere. Yeah, yes. So we have these. We want to, let's say this is your score for the class. You got A, B, A, C, C, A, C, and you said you want to add the total for all the A you got. You got 3 A's. In 3 A's, there are 390. So you want a formula where you add only the 90s, right? We can use array formula for that. But not only array formula, we will use array formula and some ifs. So we will come here and then we will say array formula is equal to array formulas. Maybe you don't know some ifs, but I'll explain. Array formula. And then we nest a some ifs in it. Some ifs. We have some if, but we are going to some ifs because the range depends on multiple criteria. Great. Sum if. What do we want to sum? We want to sum a range here. That's where we want to sum. Okay. And then you bring your comma. And what is the range criteria? It depends on this side. And then we bring comma. And then we say, what is the criteria? The criteria here is A. We want A, right? And then you hit enter. It's going to give you 270. Why? Because we have 3 A's, which are all 90, 90, 90, 90. So let's hit enter and see what we get. Great, 270. So you can go over the video, you can use Arrayformula, and then you will mix it up with other functions also. Congratulations on mastering Arrayformula. And now it's time for you to supercharge your spreadsheet with some more advanced formulas. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Google Sheets. If you have any questions or want to share your advanced formula success stories, leave a comment below and I would appreciate that also. Thank you and see you in the next tutorials. Bye for now.